Hi.
Hey.
Yeah, what are you doing here?
Oh, hey, yeah, it's me, your conscience. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I was gonna use this space to.
Oh, you wanted to use this.
Yeah, I was gonna make a video.
Oh, to make a video. Yeah, to make a video. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, about got some new shoes, so I wanted to make a video.
Gonna talk about another Air Max 90 that you picked up?
No, it's actually something different.
Uh-huh.
It's not the same old thing.
Yeah. About that, you've done that a little bit much lately, don't you think?
Well, why would it matter? You know, it's something that I like. Why would I not keep buying that same kind of sneaker?
I mean, I'm not one to offer criticism, but if I had to be critical about something, you do talk about the same sneaker quite a lot.
Yeah, I know, but it's also my sneaker channel, you know what I mean? That's something I want to talk about. That's why I make the video.
Yeah, it seems like
If people don't want to hear me talk about it, they don't really have to watch it. So
it just seems like it's getting old. You know, it's like the same thing. Like, oh, what's another Air Max 90 colorway we've probably seen before? Yeah.
I hear what you're saying, but it just sounds like more criticism. I don't.
And no. Well, you see,
No, I'm not saying you're trying to. No, I'm just saying.
no. That's the thing. I get that. It is.
Kind of hurts a little bit. You know, I come on this channel and I talk about things that I like, and
No, of course. No, you're right.
you just seem.
It is your channel. You should talk about whatever you want. Just gets kind of tired, don't you think? Talking about the same thing over and over again. You don't get a little bit bored with it?
Okay.
I just wanted to offer just my 2 cents. Just my 2 cents.
Well, you know what? I will take that advice and use it for sure. So, do you mind if I take this space?
I'll let you have your space.
You mind if I use this space? I mean, it is my space.
Yep. No, you can. Your space. Yep. No, of course. Yep. Sure.
Okay.